Hey guys, welcome back to Smartivity. Are you looking for a toy that is not only fun but also super educational? Meet the Pinball Machine Steam Kit. It's the perfect blend of creativity, learning and hands-on play. Inside the box, you will find all the parts you need to build your very own pinball machine. The best part, no batteries required, just your brain and a little imagination. Now let's start making the pinball machine. Step 1. Assemble the frame. This part is great for developing fine motor skills and understanding how structures work. Kids also get a mini lesson in engineering as they figure out how to fit each piece together. Next we add the flippers and launcher. These parts introduce basic concepts of mechanical motion, like how a spring can store and release energy to launch the ball. Now it's time to test our pinball machine. By experimenting with how hard we pull the launcher or when we hit the flippers, kids learn about force, trajectory and timing. This toy is perfect for solo play or friendly competitions. Who can score the most points? Who can keep the ball in play the longest? It's not just about fun, it's also a great way to improve hand-eye coordination. So you also want to get more scientific? Pinball machines are a great way to introduce kids to Newton's laws of motion. For example, when the ball hits a bumper, it changes direction due to an external force, Newton's first law in action. Whether you are a parent, a teacher or just someone who loves cool toys, this Pinball Machine Steam Kit is a fantastic way to turn playtime into a learning adventure. So what are you waiting for? Grab one today and let's make learning fun. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss out on more cool toys and learning ideas. See you in the next video.